Hi, how's it going? I am Garrett Kimball, and I am an intern at the University of South Florida Athletic Department. And today I will be talking about three cost-saving strategies. So, three cost-saving strategies. One of them is to cut down on team traveling. Don't take as many flights to destinations. Instead, we'll use buses. This will really be helpful in the long-term run because flights are so expensive. Second, we cut down on our spirit groups. We only need them at games. It gives our team a good look. That's really all it does, and that's also helps us in the long run to save money. Another one is cut down recruitment. I know some people won't be too fond of this, but if we are really good enough and we show that we want players to play for us, they will want to come play for us. So, that's that. Three revenue enhancing strategies. One way we could do that is ticket sales. I would try and make some deals for the fans, like a family package. I would try and come with 4 tickets, which is a good price, so it would attract more fans. Another way would be sponsorships, advertising, billboards, Instagram ads, Facebook, anywhere we can get our attention to the fans that would be interested in coming to our games. Another strategy would be concessions and parking. You know, fans are always going to buy food, and they always need a place to park. And if we just increase these slightly over time, we will generate a profit, so which would be great. And so, yeah, the fans, they're going to pay any price. They're there for the experience. And those are my 6 ways of cutting down and also enhancing our revenue. Thank you.